All right, let's see if this works. Okay. There is a cursor. Okay. This is working. Okay. Okay, I feel like this one plays a little nice. The dodge is nicer on the D-pad. I just had to do some custom bindings. So the dodge is the circle, square is attack, pickup is going to be X. Oh, I can also... Okay. Oh, that's the animation for picking up. He's got a puff of cloud. I want a puff of cloud. He's got clouds. I want clouds. Alrighty. Okay, hey guys, this is Jan. I'm usually doing a little bit of my own indie game dev development, but today it is a Saturday. I thought I would play a little bit of Shallicade. This is a... can you run into things? Ah, you can hit them. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you got combos. It's funny how you can watch someone stream and talk about stuff for like 3 hours at a time. And but when you actually play it yourself, now it clicks. Okay. Oof. I like the camera shakes a lot. I wish I myself could figure out how to get controller support for like the rumble. I feel like this game does well without rumble. Simply having that really awesome camera shake, that's a really good one. Okay. You can cut grass. What's this? This is my pickup. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a cool animation. Okay. Obviously, it would be out and would be turned off. Okay. Back to the default. Do I have a start screen? Yes, I do. Okay. I like the sound effects. How do I get out of the menu? Start again? Okay. I like to zoom in, zoom out. So far, I don't know what happened. Like, I remember playing this before. I didn't even get here. I didn't even get to this section. Okay, auto game save. That is the way to go. I want the treasure chest. Can I swim? Yes. Okay. Okay. How do I get there? That's so cool. Okay, I think I need to learn the ability to swim. Okay, I think yes. Yes. A seed. Holy sh... Ah, I made it. Okay. Okay. I feel like that is not super clear. Or maybe it's in the HUD and I'm not looking at it correctly. Okay, there's your spikes. No. Ooh. Oh. That's really very nice. That means I can now chop the trees, right? No. No, okay. But okay, this is an arena. Okay, very cool. While carrying any weapon, hold to heal. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I want this one. Okay, cannot pick up logs. Can we talk? Is there a talk button? Okay. Destructibility is awesome. What is this? What is this? Bit confused. And follow the torches. West is that way, right? Can I pick up No. Because it keeps dropping. I didn't mean to push, no. Patience. Oh, okay. Guess we're not accepting a quest here. Okay. Enough. Get out of the conversation. Yes. Ah. Shame. Oh wait, I can say it. I really like the music. Bum bum. Get as much weapons as possible. So he just switches it up. You don't actually. Okay. Give me stuff. This is very cool. I really like destructibility like this. Very well done. Alright. Now I just wanna whatever that is. Yes. Yes. Lucky. Five ore it was, I think. Kind of want to back out of the menu just using B. That's just me. Alright, let's go on a grand adventure. Wait. Oi! Ah. "15 minutes? Not bad. Very good impression. I really liked the fighting actually in that arena. It felt good. I bet I can do better. Same as the popping balloons. That was a really fun little silly thing just to get me into the like learning how to use a boomerang and then stealing the boomerang. Destructibility is awesome. The conversations are all like very nice and short. Even if I do the same one over and over again, it's not that annoying because it's short. Yeah, I wish I could just back out of the interface menus just using the back button, but it's not the end of the world. We're going to leave it at that for today. It's a nice little 15-minute video, I think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good weekend. Cheers.